In today's video, I want to show you guys a VideoToPage, another tool I found on AppSumo, and it's currently on a lifetime deal, and it's starting off with $59. Okay, so what you can do with that tool, you can transcribe video and audio to create text content like tutorials, blog posts, or SOPs. Okay, there are a few tiers available, all the way to the tier 5. Okay, but I will talk to you about this very shortly. Okay, so let's go quickly and see what this tool is all about first. Okay, so basically with VideoToPage, lets you transcribe and repurpose video or audio content into text, simplifying your content creation process. Lean on AI to clean up and structure your content semantically, automatically identify key themes and points for content while transcribing. Okay, it's one of those tools where you can actually put your video you have if you have one, and will automatically generate the blog post out of that video. It's very handy. I'm gonna show you in a minute how to use it. Okay, so but let's go quickly and see what's available through that lifetime deal. So the core features, which they are included in all of those tiers, are unlimited audio and video content generation, unlimited pages, 99.9 accuracy, up to 60 languages, up to 5 hours per file. All right. So this is something which it's called core features. Okay, and those plans are being compared the way as it is now inside this table. Okay, and you have like a tier 1 for $59 all the way to tier 4 for $449. Okay, the only difference between those tiers is the number of hours you can be hours of transcription per month. Okay, so $59 it's covering 5 hours of content. Okay, so for $139 for tier 2, 12 hours all the way to 65 hours. That's for heavy users. Okay, and that's something which comes out as a lifetime deal. Basically means that it's gonna be renewed for you on a month-to-month basis. Okay, very interesting. To somebody who is planning to use this tool on a regular basis, lifetime deal might be something they will be considered. Okay, so let's jump into the page itself. Okay, video2page.com, that's the website. Here's the sales page. Turn any video or audio into the blog post. Okay, very simple. Featured on product hunt. Okay, and featured also on beta list and hacker news. All right, and it's quickly explaining to you how it works. You can do this, endless possibilities as your focus articles, social media highlights, listicles, aggregators, everything else. Okay, so it's quite, the usage you can heavily start using it. If you planning to create a blog post, you have a website, you have a video as on your YouTube channel, let's say, and you start using the website, and you want to start using the as a website, that might be something you might consider. Okay, so here we go. So this is something which is currently available for you guys if you want to go ahead, for example, and use it without AppSumo deal. Okay, so it's $19 for 5 hours included, 99 for 50 hours. Okay, and but that's something which I believe it's on a month-to-month basis. Okay, so here is the difference. Okay, here you have a 5 hours for $59. Okay, but that's lifetime deal. Here you have to pay on a monthly basis. Okay, so you'll be charged monthly for this 5 hours. All right, so use cases. Okay, productivity and automation, education and training, engineering and technology, marketing and SEO, support and sales, media and entertainment. That's all what you can do with this particular tool. Okay, that's something you might be interested in. So let's go and jump quickly into the project itself. Okay, this is the studio. Okay, as you can see, I already created one project here down there. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Very pretty straightforward. No much of complication, plans and billings. Settings, sign out, and time credits. Okay, for free you can use it up to 2 hours. Okay, with content. This video has a 15 minutes, about 15 minutes. So they decreased that for them already. So basically means that let's say you have a 10 video, like you have a 5 minutes videos, and so that you'll be able to use those 5 minutes. Okay, and those 5 minutes will be decreasing from that 2 hours credits you have under the free account. Okay, if you have a paid card, a paid account, let's say this tier 1 for $59, it gives you 5 hours of credits per month. Okay, being renewed on a month-to-month basis. So this will be deducted from this from this credits. Okay, really depends of how long your videos are. Okay, so now what you need to do here, you need to drop the video link, your YouTube video link here, or if you have the video you want to just to upload it, you can also do it, or you can simply go and record it. Okay, so you can do just some sort of recording, and you have a script you want to record here, definitely you can also do it that way. But if you want to use one of the videos, you just simply go ahead, put your link to your YouTube video here, and click generate, right? And what's happening here now, and it start generating. Okay, so it's uploading videos and everything else, and it starts using this the AI AI functionalities behind the scenes, to first and foremost to upload that video inside the software, then to make this transcription of that video, then after the transcription is made, it's gonna go ahead and start creating the long form blog post. Okay, and also and you're gonna see that in a minute how it's all been working out. Okay, if you want to go ahead and, let's say, start using this for listicles or how to guides, case studies, and everything else, okay, you can definitely do it. But however, this is only for the paid plan users. Okay, so if you, let's say, if you buy tier one, that's no problem at all. You have 5 hours, and you can and those options will be for you unlocked. Okay, here you can go ahead and start using it like a transcriptions, education tutorials, and everything else. You can also do it here. That's no problem to let's say let's SEO focus articles. Okay, you definitely can you can do that. You can marketing contact, definitely you can also do that here, or you can do the tutorial course. Okay, so let's go and create some tutorial and course out of this video which I just posted here. Okay, so now what's happening is this video is being transcribed, so the AI now knows what this video is about. It's just basically to all the words which I was saying inside that video, and it's now it's knows what the video is about, and now it's generating the some sort of tutorial. I suppose that is what it's happening right now at the moment. Okay, we just have to wait for a minute, and this shouldn't take long. The previous one I was doing, it really didn't take too much of a time before it was ready. As you can see, introduction to video AI, overview of video AI is already completed, and here, and it's showing out what's already been done. And here go, that's the outcome. Okay, there's no much of you can see when it says here unlocked, because you have to do some sort of, you have to pay for this version. However, if you go and open it inside the editor, okay, you can do you can definitely do it. There's some sort of edits here, so you can see, even if you are under the free plan, you can go ahead and check all this what the blog post or the tutorial, like, it was created out of this video we just created. Okay, so here go, that's what it is. You can definitely, you can go, you can put some you can edit it any way you like it. Okay, and even here, the ones which you are here are shadowed. Okay, when you go edit page, they will be visible for you. Okay, so it's no worries. You can still see it, and you can do some sort of editing into it. All right, so that's the tutorial, like videos. Okay, exploring video in a comprehensive guide. Okay, and also you can utilize what you can do. You can utilize AI assistant. You can ask something, what to add into your tutorial, let's say, or the blog post, and the AI assistant will definitely go ahead and will help you out with creating relevant content. Okay, so that's what it is. Okay, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, guys. I'll be leaving the link to this AppSumo deal inside the description of this video. You can go ahead and check it out yourself if that's something you might be interested in. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Any questions, leave it down below. And if you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.